Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your marketing with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. First, understand the basics of HubSpot's marketing platform. Familiarize yourself with the various tools offered, including email marketing, social media management, and analytics. Establish clear marketing goals that align with your business objectives. Determine your target audience to tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Create buyer personas based on your ideal customers. Use HubSpot's persona templates to guide your research. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your audience. Utilize the content calendar feature in HubSpot to schedule your posts. Leverage HubSpot's blogging tool to optimize your content for SEO. Incorporate keywords relevant to your niche. Use HubSpot's email marketing tool to segment your audience. Craft personalized email campaigns that drive engagement. Utilize A/B testing to determine what works best. Monitor performance using HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Analyze metrics like open rates and click-through rates. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected. Integrate social media platforms with HubSpot. Schedule and publish posts directly through the platform. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Utilize HubSpot's paid advertising options to reach a broader audience. Set a budget and define your target demographic for campaigns. Track your ad performance using HubSpot's reporting tools. Optimize campaigns based on insights gathered from the data. Ensure your website is optimized for lead generation. Use landing pages and calls to action effectively. Test different formats to see what generates the most leads. Incorporate HubSpot's CRM to manage customer relationships. Track interactions with leads to tailor your outreach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.